got the summertime love.
Hey sunshines, and welcome back to my channel. It's your Slay at Home mom, Sophie Chanel, and today I'm here with a video giving you all of the hacks to get your brows to match your hair with no bleach, no dye, and no tint. Let's get into it. But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. So I'm giving y'all this brief tutorial. So first you want to start with a spoolie. Here I have my Morphe pencil. I have it in chocolate mousse, which is typically what I use for my like everyday brow. But you want to take the spoolie end and just kind of comb upwards or brush upwards. Then I am going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I have it in translucent, and you can use any setting powder. And I'm just gonna take like a little brush and just dab a little bit of this on there, just so it's not like super oily looking on the brows. And I go back with that same Morphe pencil, and I am going to, I'm not really gonna dust much of it off. I didn't really put a lot on, but I'm gonna go ahead and just try to get my shape together. So in the same color, the chocolate mousse, whatever color you normally wear, and you're just gonna trace and outline your shape.
I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life and a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one, and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want.
So once I have my basic shape, you'll go in. So with this color here, you can see it's more of like a burgundy wine type color. Whenever you want your hair to match your brows, super simple. You get, this one is a lip liner by NYX, and I have a lip pencil by NK Makeup. These are just two random lip liners that I picked up at my beauty supply store. You can get eyeliner, lip liner, whatever you think the color is will closely match or go with the color of your hair. And so these were the two colors that I picked up. And I did also get a lighter color in case you want to do like a ombre kind of brow. When you look at it though, it kind of shows up like a lighter pink purple kind of color. And I did get like a random highlight in here in my hairs, like back here. So in case I wanted to do, if I did like more highlights of that color, I could add that in there. And so I'll start with this one. We're gonna do like a reverse ombre, and it's gonna be super subtle, but you'll go in with, if you're doing two colors, if you're doing one color, just do the same thing throughout. But I'm gonna go in with this lighter color in the front, and I'm gonna blend it so it's still gonna look the same for the most part. But yeah, so go in and you just lightly fill in from the top and the bottom line. You just fill in. It's hard for me to see. This is my first time like doing brow makeup on camera, so, and I usually go, if I'm doing two colors, like a lighter color, just about to right here. So I'll just fill in the lighter color just until that line, and just use short hair-like strokes. I don't really like fill in all the way. I just try to use hair-like strokes because we're gonna brush it all together anyway. And if you get out of the line, it's okay, because we're gonna clean it up with some concealer. So that's this one. This color is royal purple. So then I'm just gonna go in with this NK lip pencil in the plum and do the same thing.
Just away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind, and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri, where you look at.
So I went back, instead of the NK, I like the application of the NYX better. And this is in the color Burgundy. So now we'll just go ahead, take that same spoolie, and you're just gonna brush that in. And when I'm brushing here, I just go ahead and brush the darker color just into the lighter color just a little bit. Brush it up and then bring it back.
Staggering. Way out, break out, sunsets, factory. Way out, look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night.
Now you see how we get a little bit of maturization going on here. Then we're just gonna go ahead and clean it up. So then I just go in with an angled flat brush. This is the Morphe in the M165. And I'm just gonna go in with some LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer. And I only use this when I'm shaping my brows. I only use this particular one underneath the brow and I bring it down. On my top, I typically just go in with my same foundation because I don't like that halo-y look, like too halo-y on my brows. So I'm just getting a little bit of this, squeezing it, and then just taking that angled brush, get a little bit on there. You don't need too much. And just with like the most precision that you can, try not to make a mistake. And you just want to outline this so you clean it up. Never done this on camera, so pray for me.
You stay when they switch doors. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees.
I might have to do the rest of this off camera. So this is what it should look like or similar. And then whatever eyeshadow you want to use, you can use this as like an eyeshadow base, this concealer. Just bring it down, blend it in. Boom, you got your eyeshadow base ready to go. So I'm gonna go in on the top with my foundation color. Okay, so this is the finished brow on this side. And what I did was just took this, it's my Ray Ray pencil through BH Cosmetics in the number 9. And when I lined the top, I just used this flat kind of brush to just kind of blend out that concealer on the bottom and the foundation on the top. And let's go ahead with the finished look.
You like the summertime love. You like the summertime